Hey guys, Robin Bledsoe, exclusive Black Status Presenter with Younique, and I'm here to talk to you today about some of the benefits of our 3D Fiber Lash Plus. I'm super excited that we've been able to share this secret with the public. I've known for about a week and I've been using it, and it is really so superior in so many ways. So the first thing is that our 3D Fiber Lash Plus is now made in the USA. It is made proudly in the USA. We have greater control of the supply. We have greater control of the quality because it is made in the USA. We also have international patents pending, so you don't need to worry about those old knockoffs because they are a thing of the past. The brush has been redesigned. I really love the new brush. I'm going to pull it out and let you see it. The shape, I believe, is very superior to our old shape. It allows you to get the interior of your lashes. The gel is pretty similar. Another feature that I absolutely love is the tubes have this cool little clear window in them, so you're going to be able to tell when you are getting low on your mascara. Now the fibers have been completely changed. They are no longer green tea. These fibers are rayon. Rayon is a super safe material. It's been used for a long time, and these fibers are coated in Uplift. So these fibers are going to deliver so many nutrients and vitamins to your lashes through your mascara. They went through a lot of different fibers before they settled on rayon. I really enjoy the fibers. I find that they're not quite as fluffy, they're not quite as light, but so they don't go all over your face, but they adhere to the gel a little bit better. I think you're really going to like them. I'm also finding that when I wash mine off, I don't get that yucky black smear under my eye. It completely comes off with just a shine cloth or just really hot water. But now I have been wearing these to yoga every night, and they are completely sweat proof, so you don't need to worry about them sweating or smearing in the heat or the humidity. This is such an enhancement to an already great product. If you've ever tried the 3D Fiber Lash, you're definitely going to want to try the 3D Fiber Lash Plus. If you've never tried the 3D Fiber Lash, I would suggest highly that you pick up a set of this. I'm going to post my link below. I know change is a little bit scary. One of the other things I wanted to mention is that the package is 100% recyclable. Gone also is the heavy clamshell case, the eyeglasses like case. You get this cool little reusable bag, which I absolutely love. I know that they've been working on this for about 18 months, and I think that they have just completely nailed it. I'm trying to think if there are any other benefits that I haven't touched on. Made in the USA is just completely huge, guys. Like, so many people care about that. It is vegan friendly. There is no animal products in it unless you are counting beeswax. It does have beeswax in it, so if you're a complete vegan and you're not okay with beeswax, you probably want to steer clear of it. It is soy free. It is gluten free. There's a lot of yucky stuff that we don't put in here. It is still EU compliant, so it's able to be sold in the European Union. It's a lot lighter just to ship it to you. The package is lighter. I think I already said that the box is recyclable. The tubes are, I believe, biodegradable. The soft touch is just a really great enhancement to it. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these. If you do not have a Younique presenter, I would love to be your Younique presenter. My website is going to be linked below, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Again, my name is Robin Bledsoe. I'm an exclusive Black Status Presenter with Younique, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.